What's going on, guys? BMB Ventures back again with another video. I hope you've missed me. The comments and the views on the other videos were absolutely insane. Thank you so much for getting involved. I've now got 3 subscribers, 0 comments on my other videos, but I'm loving it, lads. Get involved. Right, this video I'm talking about how I made my first £100 online. It's free to do, no upfront costs, no monthly costs, and it's a reoccurring passive income stream which can continue for the foreseeable future. There's no management, well, really none. There's no customer service, there's no buying of inventory, there's no dealing with anyone apart from Amazon. So what is it and how do you get involved? Listen up. Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a US platform. You upload your own t-shirt designs onto Amazon. They will then run a complete print-on-demand fulfillment service for you. So for every design that you upload to Amazon, you will get a royalty for every sale you make. Now, Amazon, say you set the price as $20 for your first sale, you will get about $5.40 for every sale you make. Now you can price your t-shirts higher than that, or you can price them lower than that, but I think around $15 is sort of a cut-off point where it's like about 40 cents that you make. So I'll tell you why there is a good reason to do that in a second, but basically this is a very simple way to make passive income stream every single month that you don't really need to worry about. The only issue with setup fees, if you're in the UK, like me, you have to sign up a certain amount of sort of tax type forms, which I'll get into another video if you need me to, but there's a lot of information online. I'll put links to a few blogs and articles that I read about how to do it in the description below, so be sure to check them out because they're definitely worthwhile, and they sort of cover a bit if you're getting confused in terms of how you're going to do this legally and sell stuff in the US. I'm just going to switch my hand because my arm's hurting. Jesus. There we go. Let's place it up here. So how do you start? Well, go to amazonmerch.com. I'll put a link in the description of how to get there. You then want to create an account, and then you wait for approval. So you will give a description of what you want your business to be, how you want to operate, either as an individual or as a limited company, and then Amazon will review your application over a sort of a period of a couple of months. So it's a sort of thing to put on a back burner, but in the meantime you can be designing t-shirts, using tools to find out what's selling and all that sort of stuff. I'll get into this in another video, but basically it's a great way to make extra money every single month, which you don't really have to worry about. It's a lot of the set and forget lifestyle. So when you get accepted to Amazon, it took me, I think it was about 6 to 8 weeks to get accepted, and it helps if you've already got a bit of a history with Amazon. If you're using your own email address which you buy stuff off anyway, then they can sort of use a profile of you to see what you're like as a customer and a user and all that sort of thing. So that helps. When you get accepted, you'll get 10, I've got my other hand's holding it, but you get 10 free, you get 10 slots to start off with. So these are 10 designs that you can upload. And then once you make 10 sales, you will then tier up to get 25 slots. Once you make 25 sales, you'll tier up to get 100 slots. And it works like that up to a point where you can get 1,000 slots. So 1,000 t-shirts you can have up at any one time. I'm currently on the 500 slot and I'm making now about £100 a month, but I've only got 100 t-shirts uploaded. So a general formula I'd say is for every t-shirt you upload, obviously I'm bearing in mind that these are of a good quality, they're not crap. You will sort of can look at getting maybe £1 for every t-shirt. That's sort of how it's worked out for me. You may do a lot better than that. You may be a great designer but I'm not really. A lot of mine have been sort of caption and text based, and to be fair, they have actually worked quite well. But if you want to find out more, if you want more videos on this, please get involved. And I'll see you again for another video. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers. Bye.